The One UI 7.0 beta program may face additional delays as noted by a moderator on Samsung's community forums. This year, Samsung has taken longer than usual to develop each One UI update, making the delay with One UI 7.0 unsurprising. However, the reason for the One UI 7.0 delay differs from previous updates. Samsung is now prioritizing stability for One UI 7.0 before initiating the beta testing phase. Moreover, discussions regarding new features are also contributing to the delay. Given Galaxy I's impact on Samsung's release schedule, it's expected that future One UI updates will also experience longer wait times. One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, will introduce substantial visual changes and enhance elements like UI animations. Leaked details from last month outline some of the features and updates that will be coming to eligible Galaxy smartphones. New background interface, a new control area positioned at the bottom of the lock screen, adjustable shortcut icons, possibly size adjustments in the left and right corners of the lock screen, option to independently or merge the pull-down shortcut bar and notifications. The pill-shaped UI element in the upper left corner of the notification bar can now display more apps. Interruptible animations added with an optimized animation curve for app opening and closing, new battery icon and charging animation bar. Revamped camera user interface. Support for 5G SMS messages. New notification pop-up and closing animations. Added unlock animation. New button touch animations and page return animations. New desktop widgets of various sizes. More lock screen widgets. Support for larger folders. Galaxy devices expected to receive the Android 15 update. Galaxy S series. Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, S21 Fan Edition. Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, Galaxy Z Series, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 6, Galaxy Tab Series, Galaxy Tab A9/A9 Plus, Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, Galaxy Tab S8/S8 Plus/S8 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9/S9 Plus/S9 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition/S9 Fan Edition Plus, Galaxy S/M/F Series, Galaxy A06, A05s, A15, A25, A35, A55. Galaxy A14, A24, A34, A54, Galaxy F33, A53, A73, Galaxy M14, F14, Galaxy M34, M54, F54, Galaxy M35, M55, F55. If your Galaxy device isn't listed, there's no need to worry. This list will be updated as more devices become eligible over the coming months. It's based on previous rollouts, software guarantees, and past experience. The official list will be released when the stable One UI 7 rollout begins, which is expected around October 2024. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.